textbook. We had learned yes and no. Okay. We had learned in the second term yes and no. Now we will learn single picture yes no questions and more, one and more. How do you use or which word do you use to write yes and no with that for single pictures and many pictures. Okay. This means is used only when one picture is there or one person, one thing is there. For example, in the first question, is this a pencil? Yes, this is a pencil. Please write the full sentence. In exam, nobody has written the full sentence. Only yes, no, yes, no. You are not a nursery kid to write yes and no. I require full sentence. Tell your mama to teach you properly. See the videos and learn properly. Okay. So in the first question they have shown you, is this a pencil? This is used for only one thing, one picture or one human being. Single के लिए use करते हैं. And these are used for many. See, this is used for one and these are used for many. As you learned this, these everywhere, one and many you have learned, no? So we'll apply that here. Okay. Yes, comma, this is a pencil. Second question is this an orange? What is this? No, this is an apple. So how do you write? No, this is an apple. Next, is this a girl? Yes. Who is she? This is a girl. Yes. This is a girl. Okay. You have to write the date on each page. Next, is this a toy? No. What it is? It is an animal. No, this is a frog. Which animal is that? This is a frog. Next one. Last one. Is this a kite? What it is? It is the tree. No, this is a tree. It is so simple to form a small sentence. Everything is given in the question. You just have to look and copy the same sentence. So please do not feel shy to form a sentence. Turn the page, write CW. Now we will answer the question yes and no using the word these. These are used when the objects are many. Okay. When the objects are many. So, the first one is done for you. Are these lions? Yes, these are lions. Next one. Are these hens? No. What are these? These are balls. So, what you will write? No. These are balls. Everything is given in the question. Please copy them at least if you are not able to form a sentence. Do not write half. You are not nursery kid. You have been learning everything since the first day of your school. Okay. Next one. Are these boys? Are they boys? Yes, they are boys. So what will you write? Y-E-S. Yes. These are boys. Okay. The next one. Are these kites? No. What are they? Coins. वैसे है ना? These are coins. Last one. Are these oranges? No. Do they look like orange? No. They are ducks. Sorry. Birds. These are birds. What are they? Birds. Always give a full stop after the sentence ends. That means that your sentence has been completed. Okay. After finishing yes and no, turn to the next topic on page number 106. You have action words. Your new topic is action words. What do you mean by action? Action means what it indicates what you are doing at the present. For example, I am teaching. So, what is my action word? Teaching. What is the teacher doing? She is teaching you or she is writing on the board. Okay. Like when you get up early in the morning, you brush your teeth. Mama will be asking you, what are you doing? आप बोलते हैं मैं brush ब्रश कर रहा हूँ, मैं दूध पी रहा हूँ, मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ, ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहा हूँ. So whatever action indicates, the word which indicates your action is called as action word. जो काम आप कर रहे हो उस वर्ड से पता चलता है, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, एक्शन वर्ड्स. ओके, there are some action words. So in the left hand corner write today's date and CW in the middle of the page. Read out the action words along with me. The girl is eating. They all are eating. See, E-A-T, eat. Eat is the action word. Looking at the picture, you can come to know that the girl, mama and papa are eating something. So, eat is the action word. What are they doing? Eating. You can, if you don't understand, you can just look at the picture and ask a question. What are they doing? What is he doing? You will get to know the answer. What are they doing? They are eating. So, eating is the action word. Khana kha rahe. Next one. What is the grandfather doing? Walking kar rahe. Walk. He is walking. So, it is an action word. W-A-L-K. Walk. The third one. The boy is giving something to the squirrel. Kuch de raha hai. Give. G-I-V-E. Give. Giving is an action word. काम कर रहा है ना, कुछ खाने को दे रहा है स्क्विरल को. The next one. The girl is throwing the ball. Ball फेंक रही है अपने फ्रेंड के पास. They are playing catch. They are throwing the ball. So T-H-R-O-W, throw. Then what is this boy doing? भाग रहा है, दौड़ रहा है. Run. R-U-N. Run. Then here, what are the birds doing in the sky? They are flying. F-L-Y is an action word. Next. The boy is holding a balloon. H-O-L-D, पकड़ रहा है. Hold is पकड़ना. Then skip. You do skipping, no? S-K-I-P. That is an action. Slide से खेल रहे. S-L-I-D-E. Slide is an action word. The girl is climbing. C-L-I-N-B. Then mama and the daughter are feeding the ducks. खाना दे रहे. So F-E-E-D, feed. The words which represent the action you are doing are called action word. Okay. There are some more action words. We'll read out. B-R-U-S-H, brush. C-Y-C-L-E, cycle. R-E-A-D, read. S-K-A-T-E, skate. P-L-A-Y, play. C-O-O-K, cook. D-A-N-C-E, dance. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. When someone asks you the question, that particular moment, the work which you are doing, the word which represents the work you are doing is called an action word. Okay. On page number 109, write today's date and CW. Look at the picture, name the actions, tick the ones that you do. There are some pictures and these are all action words. Now, which action do you perform daily is to be done? I do not like to sing, so no. Yes, I do not like to paint. I will not give it. I like to play. I play every day. I take a bath every day. I go to swimming also. I like to swim and I cycle. So, whichever action you do are to be ticked mark. Okay? Do not simply tick mark everything. जो एक्शन वर्ड, जो एक्शन आप करते हो, ये जो काम दिन भर में आप करते हो, उनको ही टिक करना है. ओके. Then turn the page to page number 1010. Match the action words with the children. Write the numbers. Now the children are doing some action out here and on the top they have given the words. They have given the numbers to the words. You have to look at the picture, what action they are doing, read out that word and write the number. Okay. So left hand corner today's date, in the middle of the page is CW. What is he doing? The first one is, what is the first one doing? He is climbing. So climbing is number 7. Then the next one is kicking. He is kicking at the ball. Number 6, kick. What is the girl doing? She is doing skipping. 1 is done for you. Then what is this boy doing? Jumping. 2. What is this boy doing? He is reading. Where is read? Number 5. This girl, what is she doing? She is washing her face. Wash. And the last one, what is the boy doing? He is walking. What is the number? 3. Okay. So this is how you have to do. Then Turn the page. Turn the page. Let us talk about. This is a classroom. You sit with your friends in the classroom, right? So, in the class, there are some girls and boys. They have given some questions and they have named the girls and boys. Just read out. What is Vani doing? Where is Vani? V-A-N-I. See, this girl's name is Vani. What is she doing? She is reading. So, in front of the question, what is Vani doing? Just write read. What is Vani doing is your question. Okay. In front of that, write R-E-A-D. Read. Vani is reading a book. Then, what is Geeta doing? What is Geeta doing? She is throwing the ball. So, T-H-R-O-W. Geeta is throwing the ball. Next, what is Salim doing? Where is Salim? See. What is Salim doing? He is holding a balloon. So, what is the action he is doing? Hold. He is holding a balloon in his hand. H-O-L-D. Hold. Then, what are Salma and Ravi doing? What are they doing? They are eating ice cream. So, so your action word is E-A-T, eat. They are eating. And what is Mary doing? Where is Mary? Yes, Mary is running. So what is the action word? R-U-N, run. Okay. Next question. On the next page you have some more question. For this you actually have to form sentences, but for the time being we will just write in one word. Here they are. Now at present you all are at home and your parents are also with you. When I ask you something, what is your mama doing? So you will say mama is reading or she is reading. When you tell action about somebody else, you have to narrate their name or use she, he, it. She is used for a girl and he is used for a boy. It is used for any non-living thing. Okay. So, or when there are one and more than one, when there are many boys and girls playing together or doing some work, you say they. Okay. So here, what are they doing? The first one is Mama is reading. Papa is sleeping. Reading, sleeping is an action word because from here in the picture you can understand Mama paper pad rahi hai. So reading. What is Papa doing? Sleeping. So is the action word. The word which indicates what you are doing or what the person is doing is called an action word. Okay. What is grandpa doing? TV dekh rahe. So watching. Watching is an action word. What is grandma doing? She is painting. Draw kar rahi hai. So painting is an action word. What is the baby doing? The baby is crying. Ro raha hai. And what is the cat doing? The cat is drinking the milk. जो बेबी के कप से दूध गिरा है उसे वो लिक कर रहा है. You can say drinking or licking. Cat animals always lick. They do not drink. When you drink water, when you drink milk, when a human being drinks, it is called drinking. But when animals drink water or milk or anything else liquid, it is called licking because they remove their tongue and they suck it. Okay, so that is called licking. What is a boy or cat doing? L-I-C-K-I-N-G, licking. Okay. Next. Here is a boy called Tittu. What is he doing? He is coloring. So coloring is an action word. Neha and Mala are playing. What are they doing? I am using they. Why? Because there are two girls, more than one. So they are playing. Okay. What is Rita doing? She is combing her hair. Combing is an action word. Lata is singing. The birds are flying. And we are looking at the flowers. When you and your friends are included in that many part, we use we because हम भी है. But आप जब अपने friends के बारे में बोलते हो, एक से ज़्यादा friends के बारे में एक साथ बोलते हो, then we use they. जब आप खुद उस group में involve होते हैं, हम बोलते हैं हम. That means we are doing. And we are telling about somebody else, about the different group which you are not involved. You are to be told as they are doing. Okay. So here the girl is telling about what she and her friends are doing. We are looking at the flowers. Okay. So turn the page. there are some action words they have given. Look at the picture and write it down. On the left hand corner of page 114, write today's date and CW. What is the boy doing? He is brushing. So the first picture is BRUSHING, brushing. Next, what are they doing? They are talking. Both are talking. TALKING, talking. Then the third one, what are they doing? The girl is helping her father. HELPING, helping. And what is the boy doing? He is COOKING, cooking food. The same thing. Next one, what are they doing? What the both kids are doing? They are reading. READING, reading. What is she doing? The girl is eating. EATING, eating. The boy is washing his hand. WASHING, washing. And this boy is walking. The last picture is WALKING, walking. Okay. And we will write all the action words in your English notebook one time. So open your English notebook after this. Your topic is action words in your English notebook. Okay. Each word you have to write 3 times. The first one is SKIP, skip is your action word. You have to write each word 3 times. Then you have JUMP, jump. WALK, walk. WASH, wash. READ, read. KICK, kick. CLIMB, climb. PLAY, play. DANCE, dance. SLEEP, sleep. COOK, cook. SING, sing. Okay. These are the 12 words. You have to write each word 3 times. Say the spelling and write. After this, open your Hindi notebook. We had finished writing kh ki barakhadi, k or k. Today we will revise once again. Write revision. K and kh ki barakhadi. Okay. How do you split up? K plus a की मात्रा को क्या लिखते हैं? क. क प्लस आ की मात्रा हो जाता है का. क प्लस छोटी ई की मात्रा छोटी की. क प्लस बड़ी ई की मात्रा बड़ी की. क प्लस ऊ की मात्रा छोटी ऊ की मात्रा छोटी कू. क प्लस बड़ी ऊ की मात्रा बड़ी कू. क प्लस री की मात्रा क्री. क प्लस ए की मात्रा के. क प्लस आई की मात्रा कई. क प्लस ओ की मात्रा को. क प्लस औ की मात्रा कौ. क प्लस अम की मात्रा कम. एंड क प्लस आहा की मात्रा कहा. The same you have to write with kh. K and kh revision is one time. One time you have to write in your Hindi notebook. Okay.